everybody's first mod when you have an 8th gen Civic Si. LED interior dome lights, and for the trunk as well. It also comes with a pick. I'll leave a link in the description down below. This is from Amazon. So it's 20 bucks. Somebody's jamming like crazy. Alright, so basically what you want to do is you want to use the pick tool that was in the kit. And then you're just supposed to just pry the little lenses or the housing out. Nice, good job. Alright, now we just got to do this side. I should look chewed up already. See? Now here's the tricky part, is getting those bulbs out. Not with that damn pick. After you get the little housings out, then you just got to pry it with your finger. You can do it with your finger, but just take out the old bulb, just like this. These are clipped, and then you just put the new ones in, and then you just put it in like this. You feel me? Fuck. The noise of the notes are. Nice, that one's so big. Are you fucking serious? See, one is in. Now we just gotta put another one. Nice, nice. This is much better than the regular ones. Can't wait to test them out later. So we're in the back of the we're in the back of the car now. Oh shit, alright. Nice. Yeah, just change it. It's the same exact step, but the back is a little tricky because it's a little thin and harder to pry this little housing out. Now here's the final set of lights. It's just one big bulb. So what you do is same thing, pry this out, and then you gotta unplug this connector. It's kind of hard doing it one. Oh, not really. So now you just take this bulb out. Ah, fuck this shit. So that snaps into place. You just pull the old bulb out. My old bulb was hot as fuck. Yeah, you just plug the connector back in. Nice. Now we got LED trunk lights and dome lights. You can use this pry tool, but it kind of sucks, or use a metal credit card. It's the one mod that the FA5 needed. Sorry, the car's dirty. Fuck. Nice. These are how the lights work. At a later time, at around 10, when the sun is completely, down, then, it's very, very bright. But there's the back too. But yeah, man, hope you guys enjoyed this short little video. I've been very busy. That's why the uploads have been very lackluster so far for the past month or two. But let me know if you guys want to see some videos of me towing, because that's what I do. Tow a bunch of cool cars every day. Not every day, but every time I'm towing. Well, let me know, guys. She's up and running. Just did some maintenance on her.